turn your face toward the sun. Let the shadows fall behind you. And don't look back, just carry on. And the shadows will never find you. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Oh my god, welcome back to another vlog. This day is just, we had chance to visit Timeless Beach. It was really nice and fun. Oh my god, especially going with family and friends. It was really beautiful. This beach, actually, they have swimming pool, they have game center and other things. We're supposed to enjoy everything, but we spent most of our time at the beach. That, oh my god, it was really beautiful that we barely had time to go swim self. So yeah, they have like different packages. I think 4,000 to have premium enjoyment, or you pay another thing. But when you get to the pool or the game side, I was being a baby. Yeah, I was being a scared baby. Pool or the game side, you have to pay also. So really a lot, and we had the time to eat. When I tell you that we celebrated this event like in the way we would for Christmas, it was a lot. Like, we brought the cooler for food, we had food and stuff, we had time to reconnect with family. My family, we've not really been to the beach before, so it was like really nice for us to go, like my nuclear family. So yes, really had time. And as a student who is going back to school like under a month, this is actually really beautiful to enjoy. And I would say this holiday is one of the holidays I've enjoyed after resuming Unilag. So yeah, you guys enjoy the vlog. I sincerely agree when people say the beach can carry someone away or something, because I had to turn my back. I was feeling dizzy at some point, like while facing it. When I say I forgot to film any POV shots, like I forgot. So it was even my mom that was asking me that, are you not filming again? Are we not filming our family? I was like, oh yeah, I really enjoyed myself. We had to eat the beach again, but this time without our slippers or anything. It was really nice walking barefooted on the land and stuff. At some point, I felt like my leg was going to enter the floor. You can see at this point I knew better. I was backing it. Yeah, so the water and everything was cooperating. Oh my god. Ladies and gentlemen, I am her. you definitely know I had to swim, because I did not take swimming as a course for nothing. Okay, so half of the pool is 6 feet, while other half is 4 feet. Where it is 4 feet is like it had staircase that you can't swim there. If you swim there, you literally hit your head on the wall. And they have a side for children. So if you don't swim right, you either hit your head on that wall or on the staircase wall at the side. So yeah, I was trying to be sure. Hey, I think you guys should see the staircase where this thing was, that rope stuff that controls you to swim. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I had so much fun and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it.